India has always been part of our growth strategy, and our preparation here in Mumbai is a reborn journey.
I'm here to bring warm congratulations on behalf of the Consulate General of Finland in Mumbai and the Embassy in Delhi. We're very happy that Vaisala has made this decision to officially establish and expand in India.
So India is heavily focused on expanding the infrastructure for high-tech manufacturing. Going forward, there is a strong push from the government to also expand into the manufacturing economy.